friends! Welcome to Bright Star Education. Ready for a super fun adventure? Today, we're finding 40 amazing words that start with O. Yes, 40 words! We'll see cool pictures and learn how to spell. It's going to be so much fun! Put on your thinking caps. In 3, 2, 1, let's go! Here's our first word. O is for one. O-N-E, one. The number 1 is the very first number. You are number 1. 1. O is for orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. An orange is a sweet and juicy fruit that is full of vitamins. Yummy orange. O is for octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. An octopus lives in the ocean and has 8 long arms. Hello, octopus. O is for onion. O-N-I-O-N, onion. An onion is a round vegetable used in cooking. It has many layers. Onion. O is for owl. O-W-L, owl. A wise owl stays awake at night. Look at those big round eyes. Owl.
O is for ocean. O-C-E-A-N, ocean.
The ocean is a huge body of salt water where many fish live. The big blue ocean. O is for oven. O-V-E-N, oven. We use an oven to bake delicious cakes and cookies. Be careful, it's very hot. Oven. O is for ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. An ostrich is a very big bird that can run incredibly fast. Run, ostrich. O is for oil. O-I-L, oil. Oil is smooth and slippery. We use it for cooking and making things smooth. Golden oil. O is for old. O-L-D, old. Our grandparents are old and very wise. They have many wonderful stories to tell. Old.
Hey, are you having fun? Stop right now and click that subscribe button to become a bright star. Yay!
O is for oak. O-A-K, oak. An oak tree is very strong and can live for hundreds of years. The mighty oak. O is for ox. O-X, ox.
An ox is a very strong animal that helps farmers in the fields. Such a big ox.
O is for over. O-V-E-R, over. The little bird is flying over the fence. It's going up and over. Over. O is for oval. O-V-A-L, oval. An oval is a shape that looks like a stretched circle or an egg. A perfect oval. O is for orbit. O-R-B-I-T, orbit. An orbit is the circular path that a planet takes around the sun. Space orbit. O is for otter. O-T-T-E-R, otter. An otter is a playful animal that loves to swim and eat fish in the river. Otter. O is for orchid. O-R-C-H-I-D, orchid. An orchid is a very beautiful and colorful flower. Look how pretty it is. Orchid. O is for oatmeal. O-A-T-M-E-A-L, oatmeal. Oatmeal is a healthy breakfast that gives you lots of energy for the day. Oatmeal. O is for open. O-P-E-N, open. We open the door or a box to see what is inside. Come in. Open, open. O is for olive. O-L-I-V-E, olive. Olives are small fruits that grow on trees. They are used to make healthy oil. Olive.
Hey, are you having fun? Stop right now and click that subscribe button to become a bright star. Yay!
O is for oasis. O-A-S-I-S, oasis. An oasis is a beautiful spot with water in the middle of a hot desert. Oasis. O is for overalls. O-V-E-R-A-L-L-S, overalls. Overalls are fun clothes to wear when playing or working outside. Overalls. O is for opposite. O-P-P-O-S-I-T-E, opposite.
Big and small, or hot and cold, are opposites.
They are different.
Opposite. O is for out. O-U-T, out. The puppy is jumping out of the box to say hello. Come on out. Out. O is for off. O-F-F, off. When we leave a room, we switch the lights off to save energy. Turn it off, off.
O is for oar. O-A-R, oar.
We use an oar to row a boat across the water. Pull hard with the oar, oar.
O is for on. O-N, on.
When it gets dark, we turn the lights on so we can see clearly. It's on. O is for oyster. O-Y-S-T-E-R, oyster.
An oyster lives in a shell and hides a beautiful pearl inside. Oyster!
O is for ornament. O-R-N-A-M-E-N-T, ornament. An ornament is a pretty decoration we hang on a tree. Ornament. O is for overcoat. O-V-E-R-C-O-A-T, overcoat. We wear a heavy overcoat to stay warm when it's very cold outside. Overcoat.
Hey, are you having fun? Stop right now and click that subscribe button to become a bright star. Yay!
O is for organ. O-R-G-A-N, organ. An organ, like your heart, is a very important part of your body. Organ. O is for ointment. O-I-N-T-M-E-N-T, ointment. We put ointment on a little cut to help it heal faster. Soft ointment.
O is for object. O-B-J-E-C-T, object.
Anything we can see or touch, like a toy, is called an object. Object.
O is for owner. O-W-N-E-R, owner.
If you have a pet and take care of it, you are the pet's owner. Kind owner.
O is for October. O-C-T-O-B-E-R, October. October is the month when leaves change color and fall. October.
O is for order. O-R-D-E-R, order. When we put things in the right place, we put them in order. Very neat. Order.
O is for officer. O-F-F-I-C-E-R, officer.
A police officer is a brave helper who keeps us safe.
Thank you, officer.
O is for orchard. O-R-C-H-A-R-D, orchard. An orchard is a large garden where many fruit trees grow together. Orchard. O is for hours. O-U-R-S, hours. When something belongs to all of us, we say it is ours. This world is ours. O is for orchestra. O-R-C-H-E-S-T-R-A, orchestra.
An orchestra is a large group of musicians playing instruments together to make beautiful music. Wow, you did it! You found all 40 words. High five, superstar!
You are so smart. Learning the letter O was so much fun with you.
See you next time at Bright Star Education. Keep shining like a star.